Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to What Are You Cooking Today? Well, today I'm going to make a side dish to go with my dinner tonight. And it's a little different, something I haven't made in a long time. But I saw the recipe and I thought, well gosh, I've got some things here I can use to make that, so I'm going to make it. I'm going to make a clam corn casserole. Now, of course, we made that a lot more often when we lived back in New England, where fresh clams were plentiful. But this casserole uses canned clams, which are fine. So we're going to make a clam corn casserole. I have changed it up just a bit. The recipe calls for 1 can of clams. I am putting 2 because I do want more clam flavor. So let me take you down to the counter. This is another, everything goes in one bowl and then dump it into the pan. It's a simple recipe. And we'll take you down to the counter and we'll get busy making clam corn casserole. Be right back. Okay, we're down at the counter and here are my clams. And this is what they look like. They got the minced clams. And it calls for 1 10.5 ounce can. And this is 6, so actually 2 of them are 12 instead of 10. So it's not that many fewer than you would have had. I drained most of them, and I have got half a cup of clam juice. Okay. And to that, I'm going to add milk to bring it up to 3/4 of a cup. So it's really not that much milk. We'll add that. It also called for 1/4 cup of green peppers and 1/4 cup of onions. And I have that pepper and onion mixture that I just defrosted some of it. We'll put that in. A can of cream style corn. Okay, let me just make a little room here. Calls for 2 eggs slightly beaten, so I'm going to put them in that same measuring cup I just had. And of course the eggs are to make it bind. Okay. A teaspoon of salt. I didn't get the salt. Hold on. And 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And 1 cup of cracker crumbs. Now I'm using Ritz. You can use saltines or Ritz, but I had some Ritz that were open, so thought I'd use that. And I haven't got quite a cup, but I've got another one. And that's a cup, it's a little bit more. Okay, now let me just check my recipe here. Make sure I've got everything. Clams, milk, corn, eggs, crumbs, onion, seasonings, salt and pepper, that's salt and pepper, green pepper, and mix well. Okay, here we go. And again, everything is just in that one mixing bowl. And a lot of people I see when they make recipes like this, they mix it all up in the pan so they don't have to dirty another bowl. I don't like that. I like to have it, because it looks like half the time the pan gets all messed up. I preheated my oven to 350, and I have a 1 quart casserole dish here, and I'm going to just dump it in. And that is going to cook for 35 to 45 minutes. I need to take a little bit of butter. Oh, let's see, I have one open over here. Hold on. It calls for just 2 tablespoons of butter. There's 1, 2. And I'm just going to dot the top of it. There you go. That's going to go in my 350-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. So I'll be back when it's time to take it out. Okay, here it is right out of the oven. And you can see just the slightest jiggle, not much. See, in the middle. And any kind of a casserole that has eggs in it will do that. But you can feel a tautness here. This still needs to cool, to congeal. If I cut it right now, it would be all wet. So we're going to let it rest for a bit, and then I'll come back and we'll get a taste test. And ooh, this is one of those casseroles, folks, that smelled so good when it was cooking. It was like, oh, is it time yet? Is it time yet? So I'll be back when it's time. Okay, let's get a little taste. I'm not quite ready to eat dinner yet, so we'll have this in a little bit. Look at that. It comes out very cleanly. All right. I'm going to set this down and turn the camera. Be right back. Okay, let's see what we got here. This bite has peppers and onions in it, see it? Oh, wow. I need another taste. Oh, that didn't work. Wow, that is heavenly. I'm trying to think if I could do something different. Let me think. No, it's actually very good. I think the next time, and I will make it again, but I think the next time I make it, excuse me, I'll use the saltine crackers, because Ritz crackers have such a flavor of their own. But it's so good. So I'm just going to continue eating this. And my potatoes in the oven cooking. Pork chop will be done shortly. I'll take a picture of my plate when I get it all on the table. I hope you have enjoyed this. This is an excellent, excellent, excellent casserole. Put it together, make it, and enjoy it. And I'll see you again soon. Love ya. Bye-bye.